Okay, so I'm just here at Clearwater Beach, sharing what we've got. Got some puddles sitting around and whatnot. The storm's definitely not a hit for here. We're not really expecting a big deal here because the storm didn't come here. But there's a lot of news flying around about how it's all going to end. So I just thought I'd come out here and show you the reality. It's a storm cloud cover. It's going to roll by. It's rolling-ish by now, and going to hit the Panhandle or Big Bend of Florida. And we're the same distance from it now that I think we're going to be the whole time because of the path it takes. We're not actually in the drawn storm effect area. We might get a little swell of sea rise, but even the storm that came closer to us only gave us like 1.5 feet. So I'm hoping that it's all going to stay just the way it is, which is just based on the past. That's probably what's going to happen. I'm not a weatherman. So, but we've had tons. Yesterday was very, very rainy. Thanks, Krista and Linda. It's pretty, I mean, you can see, not exactly, these folks aren't experiencing danger here, so I think we're going to be okay. But as far as like sunshine and sunny beach days, no, we don't have that right now. A lot of stuff. I'm pretty sure they don't have the beach sweepers working today. We always get this stuff cleaned up, but this is unusual anyway. We're going to get a whole bunch more debris than usual just because of the wave size and so on. Thanks, Linda. Linda says it's beautiful. And the temperature's great out here. There's a nice breeze, and obviously it's humid, but you don't feel it so much. So our sand is really soft. So when you see waves rolling around like that, they're out there re-sculpting our sand and doing whatever the heck they feel like with it. So when you come back here tomorrow or the day after, we'll have a beach that looks a little different. Okay, well, I'm going back to the office. Go back to my keypad and get busy. I don't think I'll be touring any properties today. not that kind of day. So, all right, well, have a great day, guys. And if I need to give you an update of our conditions here, I'll do that for you.